Hi, it's Tom here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Melbury Road, which is located in Knowle, and we're at this beautiful 1930s 3-bed mid-terrace. It's been beautifully renovated by the current owners, including structural beams open up to create a huge kitchen diner. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
I was willing and able, willing and able. All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke and we're still stuck on repeat, yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke, but we're still on repeat, yeah. I'm counting 17 reasons not to call you back in and stop you. Just can't help that I want you. If you're leaving, better not spin around it.
If you like what you see, or equally, if you'd like a valuation of your own property, please feel free to get in contact using the details below. Many thanks.
Patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you